My name is Veronica Young, and I am a lawyer with the Feldstein Family Law Group. Today, I will be speaking about parenting plans and key issues that should be addressed in every parenting plan. When spouses with children separate, parenting arrangements become crucial as children need routine and consistency in their post-separation lives. All separated spouses should have a parenting plan outlining parenting time with the children, each parent's responsibilities, and all other parenting issues. This practical document can be drafted at any time in the separation process, and they are usually included where there is a separation agreement. There are 3 key items that a parenting plan must address. Firstly, parenting time arrangements and the residence schedule. Second, travel and mobility. And third, dispute resolution. Parenting plans should set out the children's residency schedules in detail, including 1. The times and dates each parent is scheduled to have the children in their care. 2. Rules regarding communication about parenting time schedules and arrangements. 3. Guidelines for pickup and drop-off responsibilities for each parent. 4. A holiday schedule. And 5. Other terms regarding parenting time. For instance, make-up time, the right of first refusals, communications between parents regarding parenting time schedules, and major and/or minor decision-making for the children. Having these items set out in your parenting plan provides a guideline of your rights and obligations with respect to care of your children and can help clear up any uncertainties in your day-to-day parenting. Next, we'll deal with travel and mobility issues. When a separated parent travels with their children, they usually will need to obtain the other parent's consent for the trip. The traveling parent must provide the other parent with a detailed itinerary for the trip in advance of any travel. A parenting plan should address these travel-related issues by setting out guidelines for, first, when the traveling parent must advise the other parent of the trip. Second, by when the non-traveling parent must provide a notarized travel consent. Third, the details provided by the travel consent. Fourth, which parent will pay the costs associated with the travel consent. And fifthly, by when the itinerary must be provided to the non-traveling parent. Mobility refers to the right of a parent to move or relocate with their child. A parenting plan should also address mobility issues including 1. Whether the parties will continue living close to one another or in the same community. 2. Restricting the parent with primary residence for the children from relocating from more than a certain distance from where they currently reside without the other parent's consent or a court order. And third, the amount of notice a parent seeking to relocate with the children must give the other parent. Next, we'll deal with dispute resolution clauses. As children grow, their needs will change quickly and often. A parenting plan should be flexible and account for this inevitability by including a review mechanism in the plan's terms. These review mechanisms are also called dispute resolution clauses. The dispute resolution section of a parenting plan will address the steps to be taken by the parties when there is a disagreement with respect to any aspect of the plan. These provisions also set out the alternative dispute resolution process to be used when the parties are unable to resolve matters on their own. For example, parties can agree that if they cannot resolve the disagreement between themselves, they may be able to go to resolution with the parenting coordinator, who may or may not have the binding authority to make final decisions. Should mediation fail, the parties may either proceed to binding arbitration or one may commence a court application. Parenting plans with a clear review and modification process can discourage unreasonable attempts to change parenting agreements without notice. Having such certainty about your parental rights and obligations lets you focus on what matters most, parenting your children. If you would like to speak with one of our lawyers regarding your family law matter, please feel free to contact us at 905-415-1636 to schedule your initial consultation. Thank you very much for watching.